Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. It is a diffraction grating. As you can see, it is transparent, and which there are many horizontal lines which are very near to each other. It is a simple laser light, which is it produces only one spot on the wall. When this laser light passes through the diffraction grating, as you can see, we got many spots on the wall. If we take two diffraction grating in such a way they are perpendicular to each other, then what happens is, you can see there are the rows and columns of the spots on the wall laser on the wall. In the same way, if you take three diffraction gratings, and this way laser light can pass through it and which produce different section, and the same thing is used in the laser. This and the laser spot head, there is a diffraction grating which produces this kind of patterns on the wall. As you can see this on the wall. Different spots are produced on the wall.